Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. It's a JPEG, and they want to know how they can make it work so they could cut it out on their laser engraver. Well, this is just welding a word inside of a circle, but I did it real quick just to make sure how it would look. I tried tracing it, and at first I thought it worked, but if you look, it's real pretty bad, and it's not going to work. No, the font traced perfect, but the circle itself did not. So it's almost easier to start over. I just kind of measured it, and it's a 9-inch circle. So we're going to just draw a 9-inch ellipse. I'm holding down the control button to get a perfect circle. I'm going to go up here, my ratio's locked. I'm going to type in 9, so I've got a 9-inch circle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that circle, and then while holding down the Shift key, I'm going to bring it in until I get a circle. I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker than the previous one. Now I'm going to make a rectangle, and I'm not really looking at the picture anymore. Make it about that thick, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now at this time you could weld it, but a lot of times it'll mess you up later. So what we can do is very easily just kind of cut out the parts that we know we need to get the Smart Fill tool to fill in to make a new shape. So then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to make that shape. Let me see what my nudge factor is set on. It's set on 10. I can nudge that out of the way, get rid of my old shape. I can hit P. I can go left click, right click, and at that time make sure it's a hairline, which it is. Now I've already got the name typed out. I'm going to hit P. It's in the center of the page. I'm going to take that text while holding down the control button and just barely get it to touch. I noticed in his picture that period, that square period actually fits in there, so that's perfect. I'm going to take the text and left click, right click, and then I'm just going to select it all and weld it. That's all there's to it. It's actually done. I actually take the Smart Fill tool to see what it looks like, and then I will always use the Smart Tool version, even though they should be the same because they're welded. You can see that's all one piece and this is all one piece. So this is really all you need, but I get into a habit using the Smart Fill tool, and I just do it that way. But as you can see, it's a cuttable file, and you should be well on your way. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.